everybody, this is me Vinu Venkatesh from Sai Education for Competitive Examinations. Today we're going to do part 3 of the lecture on ratios and proportions. I hope you've been following parts 1 and 2 and I hope you have found it easy to understand. Please keep giving us your comments in the comment section so that we can get back to you. And let's just say, why don't we just start? Alright, we'll start with number 15. A bag contains 50 paise, 25 paise and 10 paise coins in the ratio 5:9:4, amounting rupees 206. Find the number of 50 paise, 25 paise and 10 paise coins. So they have given a working. You can do it this way or you can do it the way that we will talk about. Let's look at how we've done. Sorry, my working is a bit messy. Okay. Let us assume that the total number of coins is equal to X. Okay, so they have given us the ratio of the 50 paise, 25 paise and 10 paise coins as 5:9:4. So if we add all of them, 5 plus 9 plus 4, we get 18. So the number of 50 paise coins will be 5x divided by 18, right? Number of 25 paise coins will be 9x divided by 18 and x divided by 18 will be the number of 10 paise coins, right? Now, so the total number of 50 paise coins into the value of one coin, which is 50 paise, which can be written as 0.5 rupees, right? Whole brackets, plus total number of 25 paise coins into the value of 125 paise coins, which is 0.025 rupees, whole brackets, plus total number of 10 paise coins into the value of one 10 paise coin, which is 0.1 rupees. Add everything together and this should be equal to 206 because that's what they're saying. When you simplify, you will get this equation, right? And when you solve for this equation, you will get x, that is total number of coins, to be 720. All right. Now, if you have x, you can find out total number of 50 paise coins, which is 5 into x divided by 18, which is 5 into 720 divided by 18, which is 200 coins. Similarly, for 25 paise coins, it would be 9 by 18 into x, which is 720. That will give you 360. Similarly, 10 paise coins would be 4 by 18 into x, that is 720, which will give you 160 coins. So, let's see if we are right. Yes. 200, 25 paise, 360 and 10 paise, 160. That's exactly what we got. Okay. Moving on to number 16. The ratio of the number of boys and girls in a school is 3:2. Okay. If 20% of the boys and 25% of the girls are scholarship holders, what percentage of the students does not get a scholarship? So they have given a working. Let's see if we can do it in our way. Both are the same. It's not that mine is better than theirs or theirs is better, but they may have taken different shortcuts, but I tried to do it in my way. Okay. So let x be the total number of students. Therefore, number of boys is equal to 3x divided by 5. How did I get 5? 3 plus 2. That is the ratio. 3:2 is the boys to girls ratio. So number of boys is 3x by 5. Number of girls is 2x by 5. Therefore, number of boys scholarship holders would be, they're saying it's 20% of the total boys are scholarship holders. So 20% of 3x by 5 is 12x by 100 after cancelling. Similarly, number of girls scholarship holders, they are saying is 25% of the total number of girls. So it's 25% of 2x by 5, which is 10x by 100 or x by 10. Therefore, number of boys without a scholarship is total number of boys minus number of boys who got the scholarship, which is equal to 48x by 100. Number of girls without a scholarship is total number of girls minus number of girls who got a scholarship, which after simplification gives me 3x by 10. Therefore, total number of students without scholarship is 48x by 100 plus 3x by 10, which gives me 78x by 100. Therefore, percentage of the number of students who do not have a scholarship is total number of students without scholarship divided by total number of students into 100. Once you simplify, you get the percentage as 78%, which is the correct answer. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. if 15% of x is equal to 20% of y, then x is to y is how much? Very simple, okay? First write down 15% of x is equal to 20% of y, which is equal to 15 by 100 into x is equal to 20 by 100 into y. Take y here and this term here. So x divided by y is equal to 20 by 100 into 100 by 15. This inverts when you take it to the other side, which is 4 by 3. Is that the right answer? Yes, it is. It is the right answer. Okay. Number 18. A is equal to 2 by 3b. B is equal to 1 by 4c. Then what is A is to B is to C? Let's try it out. A is equal to 2 by 3b and B is equal to 1 by 4c. C is equal to, therefore, when you cross multiply, you get 4b. Okay. Therefore, A is to B, okay, if you take A here, is simply 2 by 3. B is to C is 1 by 4. Okay. Now remember we did this, I think this was one of the first questions. So we write A is to B here and B is to C, and then we have to multiply. We have to multiply this, okay, then this and this. Remember it was one of the first questions. 2 is to 3 is to 12. Go back to your notes and you will see that we have discussed, I think this was the first question that we discussed, one of the first questions. So please check it out again. Okay. Now, number 19. Radius of two spheres are in the ratio of 3 is to 4. Then what will be the ratio of their volumes? Now, the formula for the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is this basically. This is the formula. Okay. So they have given us the ratio of the two radii, right? All we have to do is basically take the cubes of the two radii. 3 cube is to 4 cube, which is 27 is to 64. Even if you use the formula 4 pi r cube divided by 4 pi r cube of the second sphere, 4 pi will get cancelled. 4 by 3 pi will get cancelled. Sorry, the formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. If you use the formula itself, then in the numerator and denominator, 4 by 3 pi will get cancelled, and you'll simply have radius cube of the first sphere divided by radius cube of the second sphere, which you can even do it this way. This is a shortcut. Number 20. 2x is equal to 3y is equal to 4z. Then what is x is to y is to z? Okay. Let us first assume that 2x is equal to 3y is equal to 4z is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2, 3y is equal to 1, therefore y is equal to 1 by 3, 4z is equal to 1, therefore z is equal to 1 by 4. Find the LCM, it is 12, multiply each so that they all have the same denominator, and you will get the answer as, see, x is equal to 12 into 1 by 2 because that's the LCM. It is 6. For y it will be 4 and z is equal to 3. So the ratio is 6 is to 4 is to 3. Now you will ask me why we are doing this in this way. See, there are certain ways of doing certain questions. You will have to know that. You will have to just do it and do it by practice. Now similarly, 3a is equal to b is equal to 5c. Then a is to b is to c is what? Same way of doing number 20. You can do it. I'm not doing it. Now number 22. 2 by 3x is equal to 1 by 2y is equal to 3z. Then what is x is to y is to z? Same way of doing it. Same as 20, 21. So please do it. Number 23 is very simple. A by 2 is equal to b by 3 is equal to c by 5. Then what is a plus b plus c divided by c? So if you simply take it, a plus b plus c, you simply take it. A plus b plus c divided by c can be written as a by c plus b by c plus c by c, which is equal to 1. What is a divided by c? To find a divided by c, simply remove c from here and take this up. So a divided by c will be 2 by 5. What is b divided by c? Again, take c down, take 3 up. b divided by c will be 3 by 5. So C correct. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 5 by 5, which is C by C, is equal to 1. Is equal to 10 by 5, which is equal to 2 by 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, very simple. Okay, number 24 is an important question because we have not seen anything like it before. Three numbers are 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. The difference between the greatest and the smallest number is 36. Find the numbers. Okay, very important question. First, find the LCM of all these three ratios. What is the LCM? It is 12. Okay, so find the first number. How do you take the LCM of 1 by 2 into 12? It is 6 basically, right? You have to multiply 2 by 6 in order to get 12. So numerator becomes 1 into 6 is 6. For the second term it becomes 3 into 4 is 12. Therefore 2 into 4 is 8, right? And for the third term it will be 4 into 3 is 12. Therefore 3 into 3 is 9. So the three numbers are 6, 8 and 9 in the ratio. Okay, now you have to use some common sense and logic. The difference between the greatest and the smallest number is 36. As per this ratio, after getting the LCM, remember these are not the actual numbers, these are just ratios. What is the greatest number? 9. What is the smallest number? 6. So difference between 9 and 6 is 3 as per the ratio. But in reality, the difference between the greatest and the smallest number is 36. Okay, then that means 36 is equal to 3 into 12. So we take this number 12 and you multiply each of these ratio terms by 12. 6 into 12, which is 72, 8 into 12, which is 96, and 9 into 12, which is 108. So we get the numbers as 72, 96 and 108. Now the greatest number here is 108 minus the smallest number 72 is how much? It is 36. So this is correct. Number 25 is very similar to question number, which is that, 17. Okay, very simple. 0.5% of a number is equal to 0.07% of another number. Then what is a ratio? So let us assume that the first number is x. So 0.5%, okay, they have forgotten percent here, of x is equal to 0.07%. 0.07% of y. Then what is x is to y? So it's actually should be 0.5%, which is 0.005. X is equal to 0.0007 y. Then what you have to do is simply take y here and take this term here. So it will be, see, they have simplified it, right? And you will get x is to y as 7 is to 50. Very simple. It's very similar to question number 17. Okay, now question number 27 is also the same, so I'm not doing it. You can do it. We'll come to 26 later. Let's do 28. Very simple. Divide 672 in the ratio 5 is to 3. So we have done something like this before, but let's just go over it. So first take the sum of the ratios. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 672 into 5 by 8, which is 420. 672 into 3 by 8, which is 252. So we are dividing 672 in this ratio. Okay. Suppose if the ratio was 1 is to 1. That means how would you divide it? It would be 1 by 2 into 672 and again 1 by 2 into 672. So 1 is to 1 means equal. So we're dividing 672 equally, but here it is 5 by 3. So whenever they are saying divide it in this ratio, first find the sum. Put this as the consequent. Remember what is consequent? Denominator, and this will be the antecedents, which is a numerator. So 5 by 8 into 672 and similarly 3 by 8 into 672. Okay. Okay, number 26. We have done a question similar to this. I think it was 14 or something, but let's do it anyway. Again, a mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4 is to 3. If 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, then the ratio becomes 4 is to 5. Find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. So alcohol is to water is 4 is to 3. Okay, then they are saying 5 liters of water are added, which makes the new ratio of alcohol to water, that is A1 to W1, as 4 is to 5. Right? 4 is to 5, yes. So let the original mixture be x liters. Therefore quantity of alcohol will be 4 by 7x. How did I get 7? 4 plus 3. Remember, we are dividing this x in the ratio 4:3. Remember, we did the previous question. We divided 672 in the ratio of 5:3. Similarly, we're dividing this mixture in the ratio 4:3 to get quantity of alcohol as 4/7x and quantity of water as 3/7x. Okay, so in the new mixture, what is the quantity of water? Original quantity of water plus 5 liters, right? What is the total quantity of the new mixture? X plus 5 liters, correct? So proportion of alcohol in the new mixture is original amount of alcohol, which does not change. There is no change in this because we are only adding water, not alcohol, divided by the new mixture, x plus 5. When you simplify it, you will get 4x divided by 7x plus 35. Okay. Similarly, proportion of water in the new mixture. New quantity of water, which is original quantity plus 5 liters, divided by the new mixture, that is original quantity plus 5 liters. When you simplify it, you get 3x plus 35 divided by 7x plus 35. Now, the new ratio of alcohol is new quantity of alcohol, this one, divided by the new quantity of water, which is this, which is equal to 4:5, right? So when you simplify and cross multiply, you will get 8x is equal to 140, or x, that implies x is equal to 140 by 8. So finding the quantity of alcohol would be 4/7 of x, which is 4/7 into 140 by 8, which gives you 10 liters. Oops, I'm sorry, wrong screen. Yes, this is 10 liters, right? Answer is 10. So I hope you found this useful. We have finished ratios and proportions. If you have any comments, please put it in the comment section so that we can clarify your doubts or questions. And keep practicing. All the very best. Take care.